Good morning students, welcome to today's class. So we have been discussing about chapter 14 fractions in that exercise 14C. So let's discuss homework answers first. First question, add the following fractions in that fourth one. 3 by 4, 2 1 by 6 and 1 5 by 8. You will get the answer 7 13 by 24. Fifth one, 2 8 by 9 plus 11 by 18 plus 3 5 by 6. The answer is 7 1 by 3. Okay. Next sixth one, 3 1 by 8 plus 5 5 by 12 plus 5 by 16. The answer you will get 8 41 by 48. Next second question, simplify in that fifth one. 6 plus 3 by 10 minus 1 8 by 15. So 6 plus 3 by 10 minus 1 8 by 15. First convert this mixed fraction 1 8 by 15 to improper fraction. Okay. 6 you can write as 6 by 1. 6 means 6 by 1 it is. Okay, plus 3 by 10 minus 158 by 15. So 15 into 1 15. 15 plus 8 it is 23 by 15. Okay, now here denominators are different. So make the denominators same by taking the LCM of denominators. So LCM of 10 and 15. No need to take 1. So 10 and 15. You can divide by 5. 2, 3 you will get. Now 2 you can divide by 2. So 1, 3. 3 you can divide by 3. So 1, 1. So the LCM is 5 into 2 into 3. You will get 30. Okay. Now make the denominator of the fractions equal to this LCM. So first 6 by 1 you can take. So 1 you need to make the denominator equal to 30. 1 into 30 you will get 30. So 6 also you multiply by 30. 6 into 30 it is 180. Next 3 by 10. Make the denominator equal to the LCM. So 10 into 3 you will get 30. So 3 also you multiply by 3. 3 into 3 it is 9. Okay. Next fraction 23 by 15. So denominator make that equal to the LCM. So 15 into 2 you will get 30. So 23 also you multiply by 2. Now 23 into 2 it is 46. Okay, now 6 by 1. In place of that you can write a 180 by 30. 180 by 30. Next plus sign is coming. So plus 3 by 10. In place of that you can write 9 by 30. Next minus sign is coming. So put minus sign. Then 23 by 15. In place of that you can write 46 by 30. Okay, now you got the fractions with the same denominator. So you can add or subtract the numerator. So the answer will be 180 plus 9 minus 46 divided by 30. So 180 plus 9 minus 46 you will get 143. Okay, so 143 by 30 you will get. Now this you can convert to mixed fraction. So divide 143 by 30. You will get the quotient 4 and remainder 23. So on converting this to improper fraction, first write the quotient, that is 4. Then remainder by divisor. So 23 by 30. So 4 23 by 30 is the answer. Next sixth one, 1 3 by 4 plus 2 5 by 7 minus 1 3 by 14. So all the fractions are in mixed fraction. So convert to improper fraction first. 1 3 by 4. On converting to improper fraction, what you will get? 4 into 1 4. 4 plus 3 7 by 4 plus 2 5 by 7. It is 7 into 2 14. 14 plus 5 19 by 7 minus 1 3 by 14. It is 14 into 1 14. 14 plus 3 17 by 14. Okay, now here denominators are different. So make the denominators same by taking the LCM of denominators. 4, 7 and 14. Find the LCM of 4, 7 and 14. What you will get? You can divide 4 and 14 by 2. So 2, 7, 7. Okay, now 2 you can divide by 2, so 1, 7, 7. Now 7 you can divide by 7, so 1, 1, 1. Now 2 into 7, that is LCM, it will be 4 into 7, 28. Okay, so 7 by 4, first fraction 7 by 4, make the denominator equal to the LCM. So 4 into 7, it is 28. So 7 also you multiply by 7. Now 7 into 7, it is 49. Okay, next fraction 19 by 7, make the denominator equal to the LCM. So 7 into 4 you will get 28. So 19 also you multiply by 4. Now 19 into 4 you will get 76. Okay, next 17 by 14, make the denominator equal to 28, that is LCM. 14 into 2, it is 28. So 17 also you multiply by 2. You will get 34 by 28. Okay, now in place of 7 by 4 you can write 49 by 28. Next plus sign is coming, so plus. In place of 19 by 7 you can write 76 by 28. Next minus sign is coming, so minus. Now in place of 17 by 14 you can write 34 by 28. Okay, so here denominators are same, so you can add or subtract the numerator. 49 plus 76 minus 34 divided by 28. Now 49 plus 76 minus 34, you will get 91. Okay, so this fraction is 91 by 28. Now you can divide 91 by 28. You will get 3 as quotient and 7 as remainder. So how can you convert 91 by 28 to mixed fraction? First write the quotient. So 3. Then remainder by divisor. So 7 by 28. Now 7 and 28 will go in 7. So 1, here 4. So the answer is 3, 1 by 4. Okay. Next 11th one, 4, 3 by 5 minus 2, 7 by 9 minus 1, 2 by 15 minus 2 by 45. First convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction. So first 4, 3 by 5. Converting this to improper fraction, 5 into 4, 20, 20 plus 3, 23 by 5 minus, next 2, 7 by 9, 9 into 2, 18, 18 plus 7, 25 by 9 minus 1, 2 by 15, it is 15 into 1, 15, 15 plus 2, 17 by 15 minus 2 by 45. Okay. Now here denominators are different. So find the LCM of denominators, that is 5, 9, 15 and 45. You can divide by 5. Okay, so 1, 9. Now 5 into 3. 15 divided by 5, 3. 45 divided by 5, 9. 9, 3, 9 you can divide by 3. So 1, 3, 1, 3. 3 you can divide by 3. So 1, 1, 1, 1. So what is the LCM of 5, 9, 15 and 45? It is 5 into 3 into 3. That is 45. Okay, 45. So first fraction 23 by 5, make the denominator equal to 45. That is LCM. So 5 into 9 you will get 45. So 23 also you multiply by 9. You will get 207 by 45. Okay. Next fraction 25 by 9. Make the denominator equal to the LCM. So 9 into 5 it is 45. So 25 also you multiply by 5. 25 into 5 it is 125. Okay. Next is 17 by 15. 15 you make it 45. So 15 into 3 you will get 45. So 17 also you multiply by 3. So 17 into 3 it is 51. Okay. Next fraction 2 by 45. Here the LCM and denominator is the same. So you can write 2 by 45 itself. Okay. Now in place of 23 by 5 you can write 207 by 45. So 207 by 45. Minus sign is coming. So put minus sign. Next, in place of 25 by 9, you can write 125 by 45. So 125 by 45. Next, also minus sign is coming. So put minus sign. Now in place of 17 by 15, what you can write? 51 by 45. Okay. 51 by 45. Next, minus sign is coming. So put minus sign. Now 2 by 45. In place of that, you can write 2 by 45 itself. So 2 by 45. Now the denominators are same. So you can subtract the numerator. So 207 minus 125 minus 51 minus 2 divided by 45. You will get 29. On subtracting, you will get 29. So the fraction is 29 by 45. So 29 by 45 is a proper fraction. So you can stop there. Okay, this is the answer. If this is an improper fraction, then only you convert that to mixed fraction. Okay, this is proper fraction. Numerator is less than denominator. So 29 by 45 is the answer. Next topic, multiplication and division. Okay, so exercise 14D. First question, simplify. First one, 3 by 7 into 2 by 5. So multiplication of two fractions is very simple. Just multiply the numerator, then by multiply the denominator. That is 3 into 2 by 7 into 5. Product of numerator by product of denominator. 3 into 2, it is 6 by 7 into 5, it is 35. So 6 by 35 is the answer. Next, second question, 4 by 9 into 3 by 5. So multiplying two fraction means product of numerator by product of denominator. So 4 into 3. Numerator it is 4 and 3. So 4 into 3 by 9 into 5. Now 3 and 9. It will go in 3. So you can reduce. 3 divided by 3 it is 1. 9 divided by 3 it is 3. Now 4 into 1, 4 by 3 into 5, 15. 4 by 15 is the answer. Okay, next third one, 5 by 12 into 8. So 8 means it is 8 by 1. Okay, so multiplying two fractions means product of numerator by product of denominator. So 5 into 8 by 12 into 1. Now 12 and 8 will go in 4. So 8 divided by 4 it is 2. 12 divided by 4 it is 3. Now 5 into 2, 10 by 3 into 1, 3. So 10 by 3 is the answer. Okay. Now here you can see one thing, 10 by 3, actually it is improper fraction. So you can convert this to mixed fraction. If an improper fraction comes means you have to convert to mixed fraction. 10 by 3 on dividing you will get a 3 as quotient and 1 as remainder. So 3 1 by 3. This will be the answer. Okay. Fourth one, 7 by 6 of 3 by 14. 7 by 6 of 3 by 14 means 7 by 6 into 3 by 14. Okay, multiplication only you have to do here. So while multiplying two fractions, you have to find the product of numerator by product of denominator. So 7 into 3 by 6 into 14. Now here 7 and 14 will go in 7. 7 by 7 it is 1. 14 by 7 it is 2. Now 3 and 6 will go in 3. So 3 by 3 it is 1. 6 by 3 it is 2. So the answer will be 1 into 1, 1 by 2 into 2, 4. 1 by 4 is the answer. Next fifth one, 3 by 8 into 3, 6 by 7. So mixed fraction is given. You have to convert this to improper fraction first. 3 by 8. On converting to improper fraction, what you will get? 8 into 3, 24. 24 plus 3, 27 by 8 into 3, 6 by 7. So converting to improper fraction, you will get 7 into 3, 21. 21 plus 6, 27 by 7. Okay. Now multiplication of two fractions. So find the product of numerator, that is 27 into 27 by product of denominator, 8 into 7. So 27 into 27, it is 729 divided by 8 into 7, it is 56. Now 729 on dividing by 56, you will get the quotient 13 and remainder 1. So converting this to improper fraction, first write the quotient, that is 13, then remainder by divisor. So 1 by 56. Okay, so the answer is 13 1 by 56. Next, sixth one, 1 by 2 of 1 by 3 into 3 by 4. So 1 by 2 of 1 by 3 means 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. Okay, that into 3 by 4 you need to find. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 into 3 by 4. 3 fractions are given. If 3 fractions are given, then also you need to find the product of numerator by product of denominator. So finding the product of numerator, 1 into 3 by product of denominator, it is 2 into 3 into 4. Okay, now 3 is coming in numerator and the denominator also it is coming. So 3 by 3, it will be 1. Okay, so 1 into 1 into 1, it is 1 by 2 into 1 into 4, it is 8. 1 by 8 is the answer. The second question, simplify. In that first one, 2 by 3 division 1 by 5. So here you need to divide two fractions. And here 1 by 5. This is a mixed fraction. So first convert that to improper fraction. So you will get 2 by 3 division 1 by 5. 5 into 1 5. 5 plus 1 6 by 5. Okay. Now in order to divide two fractions, first write the dividend. This is dividend. 2 by 3 it is the dividend and 6 by 5 is the divisor. That you know. So write the dividend as it is. 2 by 3 itself you can write. Now in place of division sign, put multiplication sign. Okay. Change the division sign to multiplication sign. Now divisor. Replace divisor by its reciprocal. Okay. Reciprocal of 6 by 5 it is 5 by 6. Okay, while dividing two fractions, write the dividend, then change the division sign to multiplication sign, replace the divisor by its reciprocal. Okay, reciprocal means change the numerator and denominator. Okay, so reciprocal of 6 by 5, it is 5 by 6. Now you can multiply. Multiplying two fractions, product of numerator, that is 2 into 5 by 3 into 6, product of denominator. Okay, now 2 and 6, it will go in 2. So 1, here 3. Now 1 into 5, 5, 3 into 3, 9. 5 by 9 is the answer. Second one, 4 1 by 2 division 4 by 9. So 4 1 by 2. Convert this to improper fraction. So 2 into 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9 by 2 divided by 4 by 9. Okay, so while dividing two fractions, first write the dividend as it is. So 9 by 2. Replace division sign by multiplication sign and replace divisor. 4 by 9 is the divisor. Replace the divisor by its reciprocal. Reciprocal of 4 by 9 it is 9 by 4. Okay, now you can multiply. 9 into 9, product of numerator by product of denominator, 2 into 4. 9 into 9, 81 by 2 into 4, 8. Okay, now 81 you can divide by 8. So you will get 8 into 1, 801. So 0. 10 you will get the quotient and 1 as remainder. So converting this to mixed fraction. First write the quotient 10, then remainder by divisor. So 1 by 8. Okay, 10 1 by 8 is the answer. Third one, 1 divided by 2 by 5. So write the dividend as it is 1. Now change the division sign to multiplication sign. Replace divisor by its reciprocal. So 2 by 5 is the divisor. So its reciprocal will be 5 by 2. Okay. Now 1 means it is 1 by 1. So multiplying two fractions, find the product of numerator. So 1 into 5 by product of denominator, 1 into 2. you will get 1 into 5, 5 by 1 into 2, 2. 5 by 2. On converting this to mixed fraction, you will get 2, 1 by 2. Okay. Sixth one, 2, 2 by 3 into 3, 1 by 2 division, 2, 4 by 9. So, division and multiplication both are coming here. First, convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction. So, 2, 2 by 3, it is 3 into 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8 by 3 into 3, 1 by 2. 2 into 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7 by 2, division, 2, 4 by 9. It is 9 into 2, 18, 18 into 18 plus 4, 22 by 9. Okay, now you know BODMAS. That is BODMAS, division. After division only multiplication you should do. Okay, BODMAS, it is bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So after division multiplication is coming. So do this first. 7 by 2 you divide by 22 by 9. Okay, so 8 by 3 into, now 7 by 2 division 22 by 9. Write the dividend 7 by 2 as it is. Now division sign, change it to multiplication sign. Now divisor 22 by 9, replace it by its reciprocal. Okay, 22 by 9, reciprocal it is 9 by 22. Okay. Now 8 by 3 into 7 by 2 into 9 by 22 you can multiply. First find the product of numerator 8 into 7 into 9 divided by product of denominator 3 into 2 into 22. Okay, now 3 and 9 will go in 3. So here 3 and here 1. 8 and 2 will go in 2. So 2, here 4, here 1. Now 4 and 22 will go in 2. 4 and 22 you can divide by 2. So 4 divided by 2 it is 2. 22 divided by 2 it is 11. Okay. Now 2 into 7 into 3. So 2 into 7 14. 14 into 3 it is 42 by, now 1 into 1 into 11 it is 11. Okay, 42 by 11. Now 42 you can divide by 11. 11 into 3, 33. Now here you will get 9 as remainder. So converting 42 by 11 to mixed fraction. First write the quotient. So 3, then 9 by 11. Remainder by divisor. So 3, 9 by 11 is the answer. Exercise 14D. Remaining problems of first and second. And exercise 14C, remaining problem of second, you can do as homework. So this much for this class. Thank you.